Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error cannot load the device driver for this hardware code 39 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the USB drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Scroll down, expand universal serial bus controllers. Right click on USB root hub and update it. Right click on the second one and update it, and update all the USB root hub drivers. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is a clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable or apply OK and then restart the computer. The last solution is system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Go to open system restore, choose a different restore point. Next, choose a go to restore point. Click on next, finish, and then click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.